Last example of the night. I know you're excited. First thing we need to find is our vertical asymptotes, which occur when what's inside of our cotangent equals 0 or pi. Subtracting pi over 2 from both of these, x equals negative pi over 2, or x equals pi over 2. My period is going to be pi over 1, which is pi. So that means the end of my second period is going to be pi over 2 plus pi, which is 3 pi over 2. And we see that our amplitude is 2. So we should be able to set up our axis now for our two periods. So this is going to be negative pi over 2, pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and that's where our dashed vertical asymptotes will occur, breaking up our two periods. Now let's find these intervals. This is 0, pi over 4, negative pi over 4. This is going to be 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, which is pi, and 5 pi over 4. You start to see a pattern. So in the center, we're going to hit zeros. Oh yeah, and I cannot forget my amplitude. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, negative 3. So then I'm going to hit up here, which is negative pi over 4, 3. I'm going to hit down here, pi over 4, negative 3. Up here, 3 pi over 4, 3. Down here, 5 pi over 4, negative 3. And here is my cotangent curve, which will never cross my vertical asymptote.